around the country. We have our territory managers, and they're really enthusiastic. We're really lucky with the bunch of people that we have in the team. So again, if you're in New South Wales or Queensland, don't hesitate to reach out to us, and we can get someone to you to discuss any of your concerns, to alleviate any of your concerns, and as I mentioned earlier, to have a look at your workshop and see if it's suitable. But the guys are really, really passionate about the industry as well. So it's a great mix, a great team. And Stuart mentioned it, a really important part of what we do is educating the industry. We're here for the long term. We want the industry to be here for a long term as well. And any little thing we can do to help that, then we're more than happy to do.
And part of that site assessment is talking about what sort of vehicles you're working on. Maybe you just work on Volkswagens and Audis. In that case, you need, this much equipment, or you may be a generalist. You work on everything and you need this much equipment. So modular, Neil touched on it. So we want to provide the very best solution for exactly what the needs are of the workshop. It's not, you need this and you use half of it. We will guide you on exactly what you would need. We can walk you through it. It's modular, so you can start with this and end with that. It's about, supporting the workshop's desire to grow, add revenue stream, retain their customer base, attract new customers, and be part of the journey on ADAS and then, electric vehicles and so forth. That all come hand in hand, don't they?